All right, this is John DeStefano here with Isaac, Budmen Industries.
So I'm Isaac Budmen. We're with Budmen Industries. We live at the intersection of art and technology. So for us, we like how technology makes new art, new design ideas possible. But we also like how art and design challenge that technology to develop in ways that it wouldn't have otherwise. And so we come from a background of fine art and of engineering, and together we find it's sort of the perfect mixture for digital fabrication and 3D printing. So a few years ago we were doing interactive installations, things like a wall of light where you drag your hand across it and it looks like you're painting with light. And we got our first 3D printer and sort of fell down the rabbit hole. And from there we wanted to go bigger and bigger and bigger, so we started developing a printer that could print furniture all in one go. And we call that the Budmen Builder. It's probably a year out from market still, but we took all of the learning we did in that process to print things like chairs and stools and big stuff, and we put it into the Budmen Buildini, which is what we call the desktop size 3D printer, but it's still a 500 by 300 by 490 millimeter printer. And we tried to radically simplify because we're super curious about the art and design aspect of what these things can do, and we like to experiment. And so in that experimentation process we decided to build a radically simple, big, open machine where the performance matters. We put a lot of money and time into those components to make sure that it can consistently keep up to the sort of experiments you want to do. So we print things like lamps, we throw drawing tools on there, we've thrown a paste printing tool on there and done things with food. And our machine is designed to allow you to kind of have that level of experimentation and do so without any sort of headaches about maintenance, because the modular design of it makes maintenance very easy. Again, that radically simplistic design that we ended up getting to makes it so when you do have to do maintenance, you're not taking apart 1,000 pieces, you're just working on that one piece you have to work on to get it back up and running. And so that's Budmen Industries. We live at that intersection of art and technology, and we hope you like the Buildini.
Great, thank you. How'd you originate? What do you do now? What do you want to do? What's your aspirations? You know, but it's all yours.
All right.
And it can be as long as you want. I got all day.
All right.
Yeah.